number? What number?
9.
9. Yay! What number?
2.
2. Yay! Great job! What number?
7.
7. Yay! What number?
3.
3. Yay! What number?
5.
5. Yay! Great job! What number? 6. Yay! What number?
5.
4. Yay! What number?
10.
10. Good job! What number?
1.
1. Yay! And let's go for color. What color? Pink. Yay! What color? It's blue. That's purple. It looks like purple, but it's blue. Diha ka na mali pala. What color? Yellow. Great job. What color?
Black.
Black. Grabe ka, black. Yay! What orange? Oh, what orange? Nalito ka yan. What color? What color? Orange. Orange. What color? Hey, what color? Green. Yay! What color?
Umbrella.
No, what color? Not umbrella. Kita siya umbrella. Umbrella daw. Okay, sige. Sige, chance. Umbrella na lang to. What shape is this?
Heart.
Heart. Good job. What shape?
Apple.
Oval. Yay! What shape?
Circle.
Circle. Yay! What shape?
Star.
Star. What shape? Listen. Rectangle. Rectangle to her. Rectangle. Di lang siya kalito. Triangle. Triangle to. Triangle. What shape? Diamond. Yay! What shape? Square. Yay! What shape? What shape? Huy, what shape? Diha ka na sayo. Crescent. Crescent. Let's go on letters. What letter? What letter? Balikan ka na loading. What color? What letter? Ay, nami, mga picture. Ay, makuha sa picture. Matabunan ng picture, babe. Matabunan. What letter? M. Akong kitabunan. M. Good job. What letter? What letter? E. Great job. What letter? U. Great job. What letter? Great job! Can you clap your hands? Great job! Yay!